Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, we're going to talk about Minimax image to video tool, how to make cinematic AI videos. So for this video, we're going to focus on this website itself. It's going to be called Minimax or Hailuo AI. Now let's sample some videos here. So we have one on this one. So guys, this was originally a photo. Take note of the cinematic, there's no distortions on the video. One more for this one. This is actually a photo before. Right now, it's gonna be an image to video option. How awesome is that, right? We also have this one right here. This is about I think it's a galactic Star Wars theme, something like that. Anyway, originally this is also an image. So I'm gonna teach you everything you need to know about this AI, and let's get on with it. Of course, before we get started, as best practice, I'm gonna tell you about the prices, and here they are. We're gonna utilize for this one the free trial, which takes up to 3 generations per day. Thus, each generation costs 30. We have 100 per day, and this is the yearly prices for coming soon. So they still have the monthly prices for now. And well, let's get back on the explore page. It's gonna be this one right here, and let's get started. So what you're gonna do right here is a prompt basically, and then an image reference. So the first thing we're gonna do about this one, as I always say, if you want to have good quality prompts to generate this kinds of output, image to video output, you're gonna need a very specific and very comprehensive prompt. So for that one to work, we're gonna use something very awesome. I'm gonna go to it right now. So for the AI that I'm talking about, we're gonna utilize ChatGPT. I have so much videos about this one, so please check them out. So we have different models to go for this one, but I'm just gonna use the base one, and I'm gonna answer this prompt. I need a well-written prompt about a spaceship floating in space with a sunrise scene on the horizon, cinematic style. So that will give me this specific prompt for this one. I'm gonna get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. We're gonna have this prompt right here. Let me just copy it. And then right now, this is gonna be our secret. To create better images, we're gonna go to the second AI I'm talking about. Now welcome back to the video. To generate images to use as reference on Minimax AI, we're gonna utilize first Midjourney, my most trusted and favorite among the AI image generation tool, which is gonna be this one. I'm just gonna paste the prompt I got from ChatGPT and basically click enter, go on the create tab, and wait for it to be finished. I'm gonna get back to you once it's here. Now welcome back to the video. Now we have this 4 images to work with. Now we can use this ones right now, or one of these, to create our Minimax image to video. I can just save one here or choose some of the ones I have right here. For example, this T-Rex, right? It's pretty awesome. Or the ones right here, for example, this space station. I think I'm gonna use those 2 right there. Anyway, I'm gonna go back on Minimax right now. Now welcome back to the video. So again, I'm just gonna click on this one, apply a new image. So I'm gonna set this one right there. And this part of the video for the prompt, this is very important because, as I always say, to get the most out of your image reference, your prompt should really support your image. For example, I'm gonna type in here the one I used in Midjourney, or I'm just gonna simply type in a spaceship floating, something like that, floating in space. The horizon or the sun is seen in the horizon, something like this one. So my prompt really supports the image. And then I'm gonna turn this on to make sure I have a very good detailed prompt description. Click on the generate button, and I'm gonna see you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. This is gonna be the output that we did from earlier. By the way, I did generate some of the few images that I still have. This is gonna be another space station, cinematic style overlooking the Earth with the sunrise. And this is the T-Rex from earlier. How awesome is that, right? I have another one from this. Is gonna be a planet revolving in the oral system. Anyway, these videos can now be edited on your personal video editor if you have Filmora, if you have CapCut, if you have Adobe, and Topaz AI. And this is basically how you use Minimax AI, using text to video features. Again guys, this is still on beta phase. We still have the free trial for this one. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.